Hello 朋友们，大家好 Welcome to Millian's Kitchen. Today, let's make shrimp pan fried noodles. This noodle dish is amazing. It is very delicious, and everyone is so to like this recipe. Now I show you how to make it. Let's get started. First, peel the shrimp. And then drain it. Then rinse it off with cold water. Pat the shrimp dry before putting it in a mixing bowl. Now we are going to start marinating the shrimp. Add salt, thick wine. Mix the egg in. Add cornstarch and vegetable oil. Mix everything together. Let's peel the garlic. Now mince it. Now let's prepare the vegetables. Let's remove the end of sugar snap. Let's cut the bok choy. Now prepare the mushrooms. I am using white beech mushroom. Cut the ends off. Wash the vegetables in cold water. Next, make some cornstarch slurry. Mix water with cornstarch. I am using steamed chow mein noodles for this recipe. Let's boil some water. When the water is boiling, add the chow mein noodles in. Cook the noodles for a minute and a half. Be careful not to overcook it. Take the noodles out and set it aside. Now heat up some vegetable oil on medium heat. Add the noodles in. Cook the noodles for a couple of minutes before flipping. We want to make sure both sides are nice and crispy before taking it out. Make sure to let the oil drip off before setting it down. Now bring some water to a boil. Add the mushroom into cook. After 1.5 minutes, add the bok choy and sugar snaps in the water. Blanch it for 10 seconds and take everything out. Now heat up some cooking oil. Then add in the shrimp. When the shrimp is cooked most of the way through, take it out. Now add some more oil into the same wok on medium heat. Then add in the minced garlic and cook it to release the fragrance. Add the vegetables back in. Now add salt, sugar, oyster sauce, and the shrimp. Mix everything together. Add some Shaohsing cooking wine Then add in water. When the water starts to simmer, add the chicken powder. Then mix in the cornstarch slowly. When everything is mixed together, place it over the noodles and it's done! Wow, looks good! Time for taste test! Let's try it! The shrimp is tender and juicy. The noodle is very crispy. So good with the sauce. The sauce tastes perfect. Let's try the vegetables. Mushroom and sugar snap. The vegetable fresh and crunchy. The sugar snap is sweet. It's so good. I really love it. If you have any questions and would like to be mentioned in the next video, feel free to comment. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, buddy. 再见